Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to give Robux to people in Roblox. Let's get started. First, Roblox doesn't allow direct Robux transfer between accounts, but don't worry, there are still legit ways to give Robux safely. One common way is through a Roblox group. If you're on a group, you can add funds by buying Robux, then go to your Group Payouts section. From there, select the members you want to pay, enter the amount, and hit distribute. That's how group owners can give Robux. Another way is through a Game Pass or shirt. Ask your friends to create and upload a Game Pass or shirt for sale. You can buy it and then they'll receive the Robux after Roblox takes it 30% fee. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.